All right, what's good, y'all? Don't remember exactly where I left off, but I'm pretty sure I was getting some sort of. I should close some of these. Some sort of memory leak on update still. Apparently, I didn't test it properly. Or I shouldn't say properly. I just missed something. Can I drag this over here? Cool. Yeah. So, this was my problem area. Oh my gosh. This was my problem area last time, so I'm just gonna comment this out and try that. I don't need this either. Okay, I can full screen this. Bam. All right. So let's build it. So let's delete this. Yes. Actually, let me put the mouse in here so it's a little bit faster. All right. So then let's create it again. Stats. Yep. Bam, bam. And then let's only do that for now. Or actually, yeah. Let me make sure that I can reproduce it at all. Test max size. Change this. It's the font. Okay, exit. All right, cool. So we have these there. So let's delete this and see if we have any. We should, I think. Oh, never mind. All right, so it definitely is something even without this, but I'm gonna leave that commented for now. Let's add it. We should have none. Yep. And then let's start from the bottom. So it should be this, yeah. But it honestly also shouldn't be. Which one is the one that we just copy over? So we copy into deletion all this stuff. So it is possible that if we change deletion, this doesn't get freed properly, but that is not the case. Gee, I should be going back to defaults every time. Yep. Okay, so, oops. So it's not that. It's most likely not insertions either then. And then if we go back to defaults as well. Yeah. Okay. So if we change the font, it is possible that's this too. And then we go back to defaults. Oops, that's not what I meant to open. It's not that either. We turned on test max. And then go back to defaults. Not that either. We'll change this. No way that it's just this still. Pretty sure I fixed this. or I could have been right. It could just be, had to be two things at the same time. But we did also delete the, oh, this is so annoying. We did this and then like a bunch of other stuff, but we can just do one thing. Delete it and then add it again. Dude, what is happening? Okay. Let's do the exact same thing. Oops. But like stop at a certain point. Still couldn't proc it with that. Is it the deletion at this point? Then we add it back. Oh, we even crashed on that one. Okay. Why? Oh shoot, I gotta do all this over again? Okay, so we do this. Then what did we change? We changed the font. We said okay, then deleted it at this point. And it just works. Bro. I cannot reproduce this to save my life. Both the memory leak and this. That's all I did. And then I exited, right? And then delete this. That's lame. I'm gonna just move on at that point then. One tick. Where was the point? I was testing it last time. Let's destroy. This tick, yeah? Alright, cool. Okay, nothing there. What are the cases that we have uncommented right now? The case where we have test mode. So we should be able to set test mode. When we unset it, shouldn't do anything. Oh yeah, test mode should also test mode is a callback. If I can type callback. Oh, we do set test mode. Wait, no, it should be update. No, force update. Oh, callback. So force updates equals true. Did I just crash? Oh my gosh, my whole VC crashed. Well, that's not good. Alrighty. Let's try that again. Actually, I want this over here. Oh, it opened in this one. That's not what I wanted. Actually, I should just open another terminal here. Oops. And this can go full screen. Projects. Get stats. Oops, I need the source. Blah, 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 blah. Source. I'll fix that later. I don't know what that error was. Came up right when I was hitting enter. So, for the callback, okay, so we got all that. We're back at tick. Alright, cool. Let's try this again. Let's build again just in case. Oops. Projects, get stats. Build project. Open up OBS. Yeah. So, try test mode. That was quick. 0. We should be able to just hit as many times as we want. Oh, it does. Okay, cool. And then if we set this to be something else, we shouldn't have any issues. And then let's try, wait, let me make sure there were no leaks with that. Okay, and then let's try a Unicode character after setting, oh boy, I don't think I need all this. Close the last one on accident. Alright, so nerd font cheat sheet. Let's pull up the dragon again. And then here. Oh yeah, I don't have a nerd font on. Okay, cool. Okay, exit, and we shouldn't have any memory leaks, which we don't. Awesome. So that is a good chunk of that. So in the case where we have something else, let's go ahead and update the tracked files. So this is if we don't have test mode on. So if we don't have test mode, it should be running, but just in case, let's make that 1, put in test mode, and then it should be updating. Okay, exit. No memory leaks, awesome. Just because we haven't called, yeah, we haven't. This should have guards too. So if GS settings, if settings, if DS settings, oops, what was that? Oh. Okay. So now we're here. Let's go here and just throw one in there just in case. Now we're stuck. Why are we stuck? If test mode, do this. Else, then we do all of this. Oh, I see. Okay. That's why. Okay, that's fine. So in the case that we go back to defaults, bam, test this, but say we go back to default, it should go back to 0. Okay, cool. Now, let's do the insertion side of this. Oh, here it is. This needs its own freeze. So, what do we malloc at this point? We definitely have these. And then we tried making overload string, but that didn't go by, so we don't need to worry about that. Same thing with this. String cat, overload string, put buffer. Value string needs to be freed, which it is. And then overload string as well. Output buffer. Where is output buffer? Oh, I initialize it right here. Okay, so that doesn't need to be freed either. Buffer. So for this one, we didn't even go in there at all, because that's when it's not. Okay, cool. All right. Oops, I didn't even build it. Oops, that's also not what I meant. Build. Okay. So now we should have insertion giving our values. Okay, and this formatting is fine because we don't give the deletion thing, and deletion calculates the space for itself. So we're good. Assuming that this has no leaks, which it doesn't. So we can do the insertion side of the equation as well, or deletion. And that's it. But we need to make sure that we're cleanly exiting. Actually, undo all this. Okay. I want to make sure that we are not updating too often. Because if we make it all the way to the bottom, okay, what this depends on though is how do we calculate the spaces? Where's spaces? Num overload. Spaces, there we go. Insertion value string. Okay, so we just calculated it for it itself. So that means we don't need to call update here. We can just call update at the bottom. Because this is within the init, right? Yeah. So before we free this stuff, let's go ahead and update the sources. I can delete it wherever else. Except in up here, because this is our test mode. So we can test that this works as expected. By going back to defaults and setting this here. Yeah, we're good. Okay, awesome. And then that should make it a little bit faster and higher potential of not crashing because we're not spamming the update anymore. So now we could take this. Actually, I should just be able to delete it. Where was I at? Insertion enabled. Actually, she's smart. Just do this. So we have that. We don't need to free that. None of these need to be freed at all, except this. So if is settings, then OBS data release settings. Then we do the same for these, and then just replace IS with DS, and then replace S/IS with GS. And let's go ahead and copy this because I'll need this again for here. So now we have overload string we have to worry about. Overload string and insertion value string. Actually, I should. Oh, overload string, insertion value string. These are the things that need to be freed. We don't need this anymore. We don't need this anymore. Then we need to also do deletion value string. Set the string. So we at this point we free deletion value and overload value. Value, overload value. Wait. Oh yeah. So at this point we are missing insertion value string. We never free that. Don't need this. Okay, that is a source of a leak. Because, wait, let me double check. Support.c L2A. I'm pretty sure this returns something that was malloc. Yes, it does. So I cannot just do this. I need to say added value equals L2A of info data added, and then we delete this and do added value. All right, and then I never freed it. Then we free added value. And I did make sure to, in support, make this a vmalloc, right? Yeah. Okay. And now we should be good on all fronts. Because we added an insertion value string. Oh, what did I do? 628. Uh-oh. Where is that? So we tried to free what? Intick line 624. Insertion value string. Oh, I freed it up here. You're right. I totally missed this. Free insertion value. Wait. Why do we free it up there? Oh, okay, I see. We don't need it anymore. Thank you, GDB. Okay. Awesome. It's already working. Should be able to do that. And then let's go to defaults. We do have a leak. Where at though? So we add this. We don't have one. We go to defaults, we have one? No. Where was that coming from? Oh, I did, I think, accidentally change this. Yeah, so it's when I change it, right? So let's start from a clean slate. And then do like this, and then do this. Okay, cool. So what are we missing? Added value is gone. What's the difference between this? Well, we changed it, meaning that we forgot to freeze something when going from one to the other. I think that's an update thing though. Right? I really hope it was this simple and this is what I was missing. I'd use parameter data. So if I go here, I go to defaults, I pick something random, and then I change it. Yeah, so it's something in updates. Can't be that, right? I don't think that creates something new. Wait, duh, you don't bmalloc anything with that. Of course it's not going to be that. Okay, so we're changing the dir array. So with the dir array, what do we malloc? Dir array. I think I know what it is. We only free what was in there if we only free what was in there if it's empty, right? But in reality, on every update, we should be freeing this. Or we could also say, wait, no, I'm at the wrong thing. Not dir array, repo directory. So it's something in here. Because if I comment this out, this shouldn't be an issue yet. So I got 14 minutes left. I think I can cook this out. I don't know, downloads, whatever. 0. Okay, so it's something in here. When we switch it, we are not freeing it. But in reality, we could just say like, because it starts null and it works. Or I can also put that in here. Oops. What is this? Interface. Bro. Interface. I miss my keyboard. This thing's awful. Add get repo dir. Right? So we should say at the beginning wait. No, because I don't store that, do I? Oh wait, I'm thinking this wrong. Do we free the existing array? Just 2, but when we switch the dir array, yeah, I do think it should just always be called. This free should always be called if it exists. So like if info, wait, no, why don't we just say if info data num tracked files is greater than 0, then we do this. Track paths will then be null, and the num tracked files will be 0. Projects. And then switch it off to something else. Okay. Bam. Wait, no. Did I comment the thingy out? Get. Oh, no, it's here. Okay, awesome. Awesome. Now we should be able to bring back this. Get rid of this. I'm being silly and not. Is there a shortcut? Go to function scope. You can use the util function to get context and jump to it. Oh, I have that function. I mean that plugin. Okay. I don't have the old. I do. How much time do I have left? 10 minutes. Uh-oh. Where's my init run? Oops. I was in the right spot. Oh yeah, I'm not on any of them 10. Build the project. Run OBS. Change this to projects. Change this to something else, and we should be fine, especially if we go to defaults. Bam. Awesome. So now we know that projects works. Now for the rest of the stuff. So if we add like this. Oh, it crashed. What you got for me, GDB? So, in get stats update 276. 276. Ah. So what we should do is say, like, hey, if these aren't empty, these being the things I just deleted, what is this, 3 minutes ago? Nope. Yes, this is what I want. So, if these are not empty, string compare so that means it is not empty. So if the repository directory is not empty, and OBS data array counts their array, which means, yeah, that cannot be 0. Then let's go ahead and malloc info data tracked paths to what is it? Wait. I did this totally backwards. Info data tracked paths to equals bmalloc size of a character pointer, these are all strings, times max numpaths. Okay, and then I'll just set it to null. Which one was the one I crashed in? I think it was this. Awesome. Oh, never mind, I crashed. The whole PC crashed again. I don't know why it's doing that. I've never had that issue on when I was using my Debian PC. There's definitely probably something I messed out though. Wait, I want to see if it does it again. Ah, it's just fine. That's so weird. Wait. No, I should have the right version of this. I just messed it up again. Alright, where we at? 286. Oh, wait. Oh, I don't think it is me. Maybe I need to update. I haven't updated this PC in a little bit. Okay. Am I on the most recent version of this? So, what would it be last edit? We were in updates. Wait, let me just go to the point where it crashed. 286. No, we do have that malloc statement in there. What is the problem here? What did we do previously for this? Oh, wow. That's not helpful. Is this finished? Oh, I didn't do that right. Whatever. Did it right. Okay. I definitely do have to do this while I'm at work because I don't have much time. So let's mark. I don't even need to mark it because it's crashing. But that's good. I got to figure this out. And then this was added. And then okay, cool. Just a little note for myself. Awesome. Alright. Let me plug this back in my other PC. Bam.